All right, a quick video if you're looking for some fall decor. Check this out. We went out to a pumpkin patch last week and bought some dried corn husks, and then just pretty simply took a rope and tied it around our pillar here in front of our house, put a couple of pumpkins next to it, and boom, a DIY fall kind of Halloween-like decor that I think looks pretty nice. Don't want to overdo it. We were thinking about getting 2 of these, but thought one kind of accented the porch quite nicely. So just an idea for you if you are on the hunt for some DIY affordable fall decor ideas. Thanks so much.